This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying compatibility. Confirm your Samsung TV supports Google Assistant or works with Android TV/Google TV. Once done, make sure both the TV and Google Home are on the exact same Wi-Fi network and signed into the same Google account. This is why Discovery works. Next, enable voice control or remote in the TV settings and install any pending firmware updates, so the TV exposes the correct services to Google Home. Now open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to set up a device. Choose Works with Google and search for Samsung or SmartThings. Sign into your Samsung or SmartThings account when prompted. This links the TV to Google's ecosystem. Once linked, assign the TV to a room in the Home app and accept permissions for device discovery and control. This step ensures Google Home can see the TV and route voice commands to the correct device and room. Finish by testing simple voice commands. Ask Google to turn on the TV, change inputs, or play content on a specific app to confirm control. If the TV doesn't appear or won't respond, restart the router, the TV, and Google Home, then relink the Samsung or SmartThings service in Google Home. This often clears authentication or discovery issues. Finally, open the SmartThings app to verify the TV is listed and remote control is enabled. That confirms both sides are communicating properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.